Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to remove items from your cart on the Wish app and also how to save things to your wish list on the Wish app while you're removing them from your cart. It's actually really simple and easy to do. Just got to go over to your Wish application and open that up. Once you're on Wish, you just want to go over to your cart. So just click on the cart tab on the bottom bar of buttons on your screen there. Once you're in your cart, you just want to go over to where you see the number 1. If you just click on that and then click 0, it will then give you two options. One will be to remove the item from your cart, or you have the second option right there to save it for later. So say, for example, you remove this item right here. This will then completely remove the item from our cart and we cannot find it again unless we search for it and find it back in the search. But this time, if we click 0 again and then click on save for later, it would then give us an option to create a new wish list or just use a wish list suggestion right there. So if you wanted to go ahead and save it to a wish list, you can, and click on create new wish list, and then that will also save that in a section where you're able to go access that and buy it at another time. Anyhow, I really hope I was able to help you guys out with showing you guys how to remove items from your cart. If this video helped you guys out, be sure to leave a like on it and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.